Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 66 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So these questions are essentially asking where is sine negative 1 over square root of 2 and where is cosine square root of 3 over 2. So we're going to use our unit circle for that. So we know that at each of the quarters, we have these values and they just alternate signs based on the quadrant. So in the first quadrant, we have this. And in the second quadrant, at 3 pi over 4, then we know that we have this. And in the third quadrant, we have 5 pi over 4. And there you have this. So they're both negative here. So the question is asking where is sine this, and as you can see there it is over there. And that'll be your answer for the first question. That requires some knowledge of the unit circle, and you can check that out from my video on the unit circle if you aren't too sure about it. And we're going to come to this one. Where is cosine square root of 3 over 2? So as we count up or count down in the case of cosine, we start at 0, we have 1, 0 as our coordinates. Then the next one will be pi over 6, where we have square root of 3 over 2 and a half. And that x coordinate gives us our cosine. And that is where our cosine is square root of 3 over 2. That's one of the places, that pi over 6. So we can give that as our answer.